Be Pinoy. Yan po ang feeling nating lahat matapos ang makasaysayang inaugurasyon ni President Noynoy kahapon. At hindi na nga lang maulit yun, pero we can always relive it in our memories. Lalo pa, pag narinig natin ang mga kantang tinanghal doon. Kaya ngayon, kasama natin ang isa sa mga umawit sa panunumpa ni Pinoy, si Miss Gail Blanco. Good morning, Gail. So, Gail, kumusta yung experience mo kahapon sa inaugurasyon?
Siyempre, masayang-masaya ako that I'm part of the inauguration, historic event. And ayun, it's parang yung pagkanta kasi ng mga stars, parang it symbolizes ng pagkakaisa. So it's a moving experience for me.
So, kumusta yung feeling na puro mga bigating artists, bigating celebrities yung kasama mong kumakanta kahapon?
Ay, sobrang hindi ko ma-explain kasi syempre katabi mo si Regine Velasquez, si Ogie Alcacid, sobrang mga idols ko yan. So, ayun, unexplainable.
At close ka talaga kila Miss Chris Aquino.
Yeah, si Miss Chris Aquino, I've done albums, I've done singing sa albums niya. So, medyo matagal-tagal na rin panahon na nakilala ko siya.
Alright.
So,
at paano ka naman naghanda dun sa inyong performance kahapon?
We practiced it the night before the inauguration. And yun lang actually, kasi yung part lang naman namin dun is the chorus part. So, medyo okay lang.
Alright. At ngayon, syempre, maririnig natin muli ang boses ni Miss Gail Blanco.
Thank you. Suddenly appear every time you are near, just like me. They long to be close to you. Why do stars fall down from the sky every time you walk by? Just like me, they long to be close to you. You born, the angels got together, decided to create a dream come true. So they sprinkle moon dust in your hair of gold, starlight in your eyes of blue. That is why all the girls in town follow you all around. Just like me, they long to be close to you. Just like me, they long to be close to you. Close to you. Close to you. Close to
Nais kong pasalamatan ng aking sponsors, Tyline, GB Shoes, at si Dr. Cristabel C. para sa aking skincare.
I would like to thank my sponsors. For my shoes, I would like to thank Filia. Maldita for my clothes, available at all major malls nationwide. For my salon needs, thank you to Vogue Visage Salon. Jewelry by Michelle Silver Jewelry. Makeup by Revlon Cosmetics. And for my outdoor eyewear, thank you to Replay. And skincare by Dr. Vicky Bello.
Maraming salamat sa aking mga sponsors. SM Department Store for my clothes. Golden Hills for my jewelry. Head Zone for my salon needs. Located at the EDSA Shangri-La Hotel. Revlon for my makeup. Paris Optical for my O2 Optics contact lens. And for my skin and body care, thanks to Dr. Jean Marquez. Maraming salamat sa aking mga sponsors. For my clothes, for me. For my jewelry, Golden Hills. Revlon Cosmetics. For my skincare needs, Dr. Jean Marquez. For my salon needs, Antonio's Hairdressing. And Ideal Vision Center.
Lalong nagiging masarap